My name is Nathaniel Trelease. I'm the program chair of the Rocky Mountain Intellectual Property and Technology Law Institute. We're here in Denver, Colorado. To my left is our main plenary session room. We have about 420, 450 attorneys listening to our really marquee panel every year, which is our panel of federal judges. We have a judge for the first time from the United States Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit, and a large panel of federal trial court judges from pretty much coast to coast.
This event has grown, 10 times the size. We have 435 attendees this year. But I think the reason people keep coming back and the reason that they want to be here next year is the quality of the speakers, the quality of the presentations. We attract not just the people who know about the topics, but we attract the people who are living the cases and who are making history.
I'm Emily Burns. I'm a senior trademark counsel at Google. I'm based in Mountain View in the Silicon Valley, and I was very pleased to be asked to come and speak at the conference today on my area of practice, which is trademark law. This conference, even though based in Colorado, put on by the Colorado Bar Association, really brings together some great speakers and thinkers to talk broadly about federal IP protection, and that spans the entire country.
I think it's really well run. I love that there are all these different tracks, so you can pick and choose what sections you'd like to go to. And it seems like there have been a lot of very high-level practitioners who've been brought in to discuss the topics. It's pretty impressive.
Just look at the speakers and the lineup of the presentations, a variety of things, and what you'll find in each of the multiple tracks, you'll have difficult times deciding which presentation you'll go to. And that's a hallmark of a great conference.
We make it a point to not only sponsor every year, but we send almost everyone from our Denver office, IP practice, as well as some attorneys from other offices like Chicago and Seattle fly in for the event as well.
The scope of issues covered in this conference are far superior to the other conferences that I've attended. The conferences that I have attended have been very good. They've covered the basics. What's the latest developments in the law? What are some of the new issues that are coming up? What's the legislative landscape look like? What's different here is that you really get an idea that you're dealing with the real players, the real movers and shakers, the real people that are in the various places talking to us. We've got representatives from the judiciary, from the Patent and Trademark Office, all levels are giving us our input to try and understand what's truly going on out there.
I'm Elizabeth Doherty with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office. I'm the Director of Inventor Education, Outreach, and Recognition. It's my pleasure to be with the Colorado Bar IP section today to share information about initiatives at the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office. I'm also here because we're hosting the 3rd annual Women's Entrepreneurship Symposium in partnership with the Colorado Bar IP section.
And there are over 450 people here from various different backgrounds and different firms, and so it's a great way to meet new people and reconnect with some people that you've already known as well.
I've been coming to this conference for, I guess this is my 5th year coming, and every year I get something new out of it. And I think this is a conference that started small, but really has grown to cover a lot of different perspectives and a lot of bases, and it's got a lot of useful information, whether you're in-house or you're an external counsel or you're representing the small guys. You get a lot of different perspectives. So this is the place to be.